Hi friend, picture this. It's summer, the sun is out and berries are everywhere. Plump, juicy, and burst with flavors. But blink, suddenly they are gone. And they become very expensive so quickly, especially when they are out of season. That is why I made frozen fruit my secret weapon. It is more affordable, picked at peak ripeness, and let me enjoy my favorite flavors all year long. Frozen fruit is not just for smoothies. It's a pantry powerhouse. From effortless breakfast to even savory dishes, these little frozen gems are a game changer in my kitchen. Berries are amazing, but their growing season is so short. That's why I keep frozen berries in my freezer at all times. No washing, no spoilage, just vibrant, juicy goodness whenever I need it. And my favorite way to use them? Overnight oats. The berries thaw overnight, releasing all that sweet tangy flavor into the oats. So when I wake up, boom, breakfast is ready. No effort required. Recently, I found these frozen calamansi at my local grocery stores. It's like having fresh lime on demand without the waste. These little citrus powerhouses are fragrant, tangy, and way more reliable than fresh limes. It has a mix of lime and oranges. I love using them to brighten up fish dishes. Growing up, I never thought about freezing soursop. Why would I? It was always abundantly available. But now, living in Canada, fresh soursop is nearly impossible to find. And when you do, let's just say it's not cheap. So if you see these frozen soursop in your local grocery store and you do not know what to do, just watch and you will have a killer smoothie. That's why I love frozen soursop. It brings those tropical flavors right into my kitchen. It's creamy, tangy, and tastes just as good as fresh because it's frozen at the perfect moment. So now, whenever I'm craving a taste of home, I just blend it up in a smoothie and instantly feel like I'm back in the tropics. Frozen fruit is not just a backup, it's an everyday essential. It saves money, reduces waste, and brings exciting flavors to every meal, no matter the season. What's your favorite way to use frozen fruit? Drop your ideas in the comment. I'd love to hear.